You want to know how to make money? Look, y'all, real money to be made. It's with the Temu affiliate program. You will get 20% commission of everything that everyone buys using your video, your affiliate link, or your discount code. You will also get up to $10 for each user that joins using your affiliate link. Isn't that cool? Everyone on the top leaderboards, they get great rewards. See them? They get great rewards. And you can click the link in my bio or description box to get started. All right? Or click the link on this video. This is also valid worldwide. And Temu has also opened its doors and opportunities for several more than 30 different countries. So guys, click the link in my description box, all right, to download the Temu app. The link is also in my bio, y'all. Check out my link tree. Download the Temu app, y'all, so you can start making your orders, all right? The discount is for new app users only. It's valid for worldwide use, and Temu also offers price protection policy. If the price for your purchase drops within 30 days, you can request a partial refund. Temu offers free shipping and free returns within 90 days. Isn't that awesome? Hi guys, here is a Christmas pajama set that I got from Temu. The link to purchase this set is in my bio on my link tree. You'll find Temu. Also, the link is in my description box. Use my code, save you some money. Affiliates, sign up now to get started. Join the affiliate program. Yes, y'all, these are some beautiful boots I had purchased back in Christmas season. I got it for a beautiful price. I would advise you also to check it out. The link is in my description box. Check it out, y'all. The Temu link is there. Use my discount code. It's on the screen, and you will be ready and good to go. Enjoy. New York. So, y'all better get on these. Fashionable, cheap, affordable. Can't beat the price. Link in my bio. Temu, thank you. I love it.